on my lean and I'm
What's up, gang? We are back at it again with another video. You know who it is, that bass fishing dude here. We got your boy Weston Smith back there in the background. We are out here in Mineral Wells, Texas, and today we are gonna do an MTB slam. The name of the game is catch one fish on every single bait that's in the box. Y'all already saw this one for July unboxing. We got a lot of really good stuff in there. This is a prime opportunity for this type of moment right here. So hopefully we can crack something up out of here and we can get something on every single one of the boxes. Disclosure off the rip, I've already lost one of my baits from the box. I lost my freaking spinner bait that came in here with my Sticky's trailer hook. Unfortunate, but it is what it is. So yeah, let's roll this thing over to the GoPro. Let's get this thing rolling. All right, guys, we got our first bait tied on for the MTB slam today. That Strike Pro gill raker. You see it, that thing right there is gonna get manched out here. So let's get to it. Oh yeah, the action on that thing is ignorant. Ooh, look at that, it's like a snake coming through the water. Oh yeah, that looks really good. I like that. That's the juice right there. That's the juice right there. Let's get up to a high spot where we can leverage. We're just slow rolling that thing through here. Oh, bam, right there on the drop. First one, on the gill raker. The more you flip, the more you get in here, bro. Fish number one, MTB slam, Strike Pro gill raker, right there, done deal. So this bait's gonna dive 2 to 3 feet, suspend, and it's got a cranking motion, like a square bill. It's got a square bill on it, so gonna put off a real wonky and flashy style pattern. That paint job on there is so crazy. That yellow chartreuse with that purple and black on there and that rooster tail on the end. It's gonna get some looks. Let's see. Bam! Right there off the rip. First freaking cast. First freaking cast and we land. Oh, look at that, man. First cast on the runt and we get us your boy right here. I told y'all guys, that bait right there, that's money bags, man. That Carl's Amazing Baits, the runt is money bag. You can get this bait on Carl's bait and tackle shop, carls.com, 30% off right now. If you switch over and you become a member, it's money right there. Or you could always sign up for a mystery tackle box and get you some cool baits like that on a monthly basis. Lucky Craft. This is a square bill. And the color on this thing is male gill. That thing is something serious. Look at that color, man. I think it's gonna get smashed. Trim off our tag. Again, now right there, that Lucky Craft square bill, male gill colorway. Let's see what it do. A nice quick rise to it. You know, most square bills have a slow fall or a super slow rise. This one kind of shoots back to the surface kind of quick. There we go. Third bait, we got a bass on the square bill. Lucky craft, male gill. Got us one. It's bait number 3. All I have left in here is these. Yeah, because I lost my freaking spinnerbait and trailer hook. So, it was a Catchco spinnerbait Pro Series, by the way. Got lost along with a Sticky's trailer hook. It's all good. So, how do I want to rig this? This may be cheating a little bit, but I don't have any hooks down here, so we're gonna have to make do with what we got. And what we got is an owner flashy swimmer. And these hammer sticks from Lucky John. These things look like they would work best on a freaking drop shot. And what we got is an owner flashy swimmer. 3/0. And one of these stanky little things, you know. Yeah, this thing's got some stank on them, some serious stink. Oh, this thing stinks. All right, that's the rig. You see a little tail on there. That's gonna kick a little bit in the water. I know the blade is gonna do more work than the body of the bait, but it's all good. So, see what happens. Got one right there. Oh, and he's a good one too. Oh, that's a good one. That is a good freaking fish, guys. Solid fish on the hammer stick from Lucky John. Look at that, right in the bottom of the tongue. Oh, right there. Guys, look at that. It's the biggest one of the group. Would be 6 baits, 6 fish, but we got 4 baits, 4 fish. One good solid chunk right there. Man. Well, guys, that's it. That concludes our MTB slam. We got it done. We only had 4 baits because, like I said, I lost one of them the other day when I first got the box, throwing it around at another spot. Got tangled up, and that was the end of my freaking spinnerbait. But it is what it is. It's all good. 4 baits, 4 fish, 4 good fish. That last one, we got him on that Lucky John hammer stick right there. I think it's got like some funky smell to it. It's called Wakasaki, I want to say is what it's called. Yeah, Wakasaki. And right there. So yeah, man, MTB slam, baby. First one, first of many to come. So be on the lookout for the rest of them. MTB box next month. So yeah, as always, if you like what I'm doing, you love what I'm doing. If you hate what I'm doing, by all means, jump down there in them comments and leave your boy some feedback. And as always, check back in with your boy, that Bass Fishing Dude, on the next video. Peace.